Hello friends, welcome to Real Accounting Tutorials. Today we are sharing some common banking errors in QuickBooks such as error 102, error 103 and error 109. Error 102. This error occurs when QuickBook is unable to connect to your bank website at this moment. This error usually gets resolved by itself in few hours. If it is not getting resolved, then follow the following steps. Go to your QuickBook dashboard and select Banking from left navigation bar and select the Banking tab and click Update and your error will be resolved. In case error 102 still hasn't been resolved, you can talk to our experts at our toll-free number 1800-446-8848. Let's move on to our next common error, error 103. This error occurs when your QuickBook account banking credentials do not match with the bank's website. This can happen if you have recently changed your signing credentials in QuickBook account. In new connections, this error may occur while adding a new account. Click Add Account on the banking page. Choose your bank name. For just demo purpose, let's choose Bank of Intuit. Enter your credentials and click Continue to complete the extra security verification. Click the I am not a robot checkbox and click Continue. In case if you see error 103, it simply means that you have typed wrong credentials. Type in the correct credentials and click Continue. Check the I am not a robot tab and click Continue. If you see this page, it means that the error has been resolved. Error 103 on existing accounts. If you are getting error 103 on the existing accounts, it means that your banking credential has been changed in your banking website. You have to update and match your sign-in information in QuickBooks and in your bank website. Select the pencil icon next to your bank account and select Edit Sign-in Information. Update your signing information here so that your bank credentials in QuickBook match with the credential of bank. Now click Save and Continue. Click on the I am not a robot tab and continue. Your signing information has been updated. Click Done. Error 109. When error 109 occurs, it means that you have to change and update your password in bank website. Many bank requires password to change and update on periodical basis for security purpose. If this happens, then you cannot connect your account to QuickBooks. Go to your bank website and update your signing credentials. Select the pencil icon next to your bank account and select Edit Sign-in Information. Update your signing information here so that your bank credential in QuickBooks match with the credential of bank. Now click Save and Connect. Click on the I am not a robot tab and continue. Your signing information has been updated. These are some common banking errors in QuickBooks with their solution. For any QuickBooks related issue, you can call our toll-free number 1800-446-8848.